Morning, parents. The weeks seem to be flying by these days. Three tips from me in 3 minutes. My first tip is all about incognito or in private. This is an area in a browser when I'm in Edge at the moment. When you click on the three dots, you can see it says in private window. You get it in Safari and Chrome. And our kids, our children, seem to think it's a secret area within the browser. There's a few things that I want you to know about it, and I'm going to show you in this site actually how to disable it if you are worried about it. So I'm just going to scroll past this, and there's some facts about incognito. I'm going to leave that on the screen for a moment whilst you maybe click pause on the video so that you can read those things. I'm not going to read them out to you. Just one or two interesting ones, though, in that YouTube does have an incognito mode, and it will then stop harvesting the history of the videos that you've watched. So, the kids tend to do that if they don't want you to see the videos that they've been watching in YouTube. Also, as well, just down here, there's different ways in which you can disable incognito or private browsing. This is how you do it in Safari and also in Chrome. So I'll put the link in the description if you're watching this video on YouTube, and you can follow through and click on it. The next one for me is, I don't know about you, but in my house, we have quite a lot of old technology. And here, for example, right next to me, my son's just playing around with this. Do you remember these 80 gigabyte iPods with the scroll wheel? Yeah, so he's refurbishing that, which is great. I have an old laptop as well, which, to be honest, is so slow and clunky that I want to donate it. But actually, I'm going to do this first. I'm going to turn it into a Chromebook. And you can do this for free. You can download something called Chrome OS onto a little thumb drive, plug it into the laptop, and it will install that operating system. And it breathes new life into your device because it's a very lightweight operating system. Try it and see it first before you donate that technology somewhere else. Again, I'll put the link in the description below for you to follow through on the instructions to do that. It's relatively straightforward. The last thing from me is SVG files. SVG is a file format for photographs, and quite a lot of people send SVG files around, but you have to be very careful because you can inject malware indirectly into the SVG file. So merely just opening the photograph will then inject that malware into your device. So there's a video here, it's about 2 or 3 minutes long, in terms of what to do from an SVG side of things if you are using that file format for photographs. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.